subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Tecno has launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Tecno Pop 7 Pro with quite stylish rear panel design. And recently it was first launched in South African market. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Pop 7 Pro features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with 120Hz touch sampling rate support, and it has a large 90% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, paired with PowerVR G8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Tecno Pop 7 Pro supports a dual camera setup in a large squarish module at the top left corner that includes one 12MP main camera with a 1.85 aperture along with the unspecified secondary lens. And for selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box with iOS 11 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a face unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.86 by 75.51 by 8.9mm. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Tecno Pop 7 Pro has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,799 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 7,299 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be available for purchase in endless black and a unique blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Pop 7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.